Dumelang. So today I ke dumedisa baloi, ke dumedisa everybody. Ke re fela ko lona dumelang everybody. Sanibonani thokozani. I'm not gonna be long. I just want to tell you guys that whatever you want in life, you must get. We were all born for a reason. Whatever you want in life, you must get. Today I'm off. It's my off day, and I don't know when was the last time I was off, but I am off, and I don't want to leave my bed. I don't even want a bath. That's how deep it is. But this is what I want to say to you. Whatever you want to do in life, do it. It doesn't matter how many kids you have. Nothing should limit you. Even the sky is not the limit. Yeah? When you don't want to do things, there are certain things you want to do, but currently you can't do them because of what people will say. Do those people feed you? Yeah? We are phone but you are afraid people will say we are lawyer. Hey! Stop it. Stop it. We are starting new things ukudla or in because it's not of your level. What will people say? We are by waiter and serve people just because hey. Yes, it is not your level. Then do something that is on your level. Do it. You know what I mean? Ngisazoba nemfene engaka idek. Ngisazoba nemfene edek. Angifuni angibuyeli enhluphekweni angibona angibuyeli nginokuzibheka esipilini mos ngisibheke esipilini ngizibheke so ngithi wena Tumi wena nenhlupheko akusilani yakhona ngizitshele mina ngizibheke esipilini. If it means ngibe nemfene engaka eninyawo ideki engaka yama ngisho lemfene enizobonwa yimi izowondlwa yimi or izoyenza whatever efunayo nami ngizoqhubeka ngenze njalo. Do what makes you happy. So ngaba nemfene ngaba notikoloshi ngaba nani konke enginako okwami akukuhlukumezi wena. Uyangithola ukuthi ngithini? Akukuhlukumezi okwami enginakho okungenza ukuthi ngiphumelele akuhlukumezi wena. Uyayibona kanjani? Nasebusuku angilali mina hayi wena uzolala mina ngiyangilala but ekseni ngihappy when you said uyayibona kanjalo wena ebusuku uyalala ngithi ubuthongo khici mina angilali because imfene iyangihlupha imfene iyangihlupha or whatever utikoloshi uyangivusa akafuni ngilale kwasha kwaqima kwavutha angithi kunisho njalo ukuthi sinani si12 so asikhona ukulala ebusuku angithi but ekseni masithi papa ngihappy wena usaid uyayibona bese uya ku social media ufuna ukubona into ebhedayo uyitholi bese uzotype kwakho uyayibona ngisho. So currently I'm doing what I want and it's not satisfying for anybody, so do you because now when I die I'm gonna die alone. When you die alone. You understand? So speak life into yourself, put things into existence. You understand? When I say right things, there's power in you. God is inside you. We are the gods. You understand? Unkulunkulu, not really God. Unkulunkulu wakho wena nami unkulunkulu wami. Uyabona? Ke modimo wa ka o modimo wa hao. Ka hare wena ke modimo ya phelang. You understand? Mina ngaphakathi kwami nginalo uNkulunkulu ophilayo and le uNkulunkulu lo ophilayo uye lo owenza izinto into existence. Ngiyabhala phansi izinto engisifunayo engiyazi-achieve khona lezi engazigubhela. Nakhumbula the time ngithi sigubhela izinto ngizozilanda sekusele ne-day 1 kuzo zonke izinto ukuthi ngizithola ziphelele kusele ne-day 1 nangiqeda kuyithola nyaka kuphele lo nyaka seyakuye lento leyo yogcina engibhalile engayitholanga. And mangiceda kuyithola la ngizolibele nikhuluma nakhulumela futhi ukuthi umuntu makakungigubhisa success. How can ngigubhisa success yakho? I've been successful before you even knew me. People who know me, I've been a go-getter, I've been a hustler, I've been work hard mode. That's just who I am. I've never depended on anybody but myself and my intelligence and my wisdom and the grace of God that I receive upon my life. You are God. You understand? Stop looking for God far away, far away. That's why I am a son because you think God is there. God is within you. That's why I see lots of food because we think God is somewhere else or in Tabe. God is within us. You can pray in your comfort home. So there's no need. No mga kukanga mina ngiguqi umthandazo wethu uyafana. Ulalelwa ilo muntu ongaphakathi. Is within you. It's the tell me one thing. How can God listen to all of us? Standards on 12. Use this. Use this. Use this. How can God listen to all of us? It's kulega ngo 12. If God is one soul, one spirit. Sonke siyakhuleka ngo 12 ebusuku, sonke siyakhuleka ngo 3 ekseni, sonke siyakhuleka no. Kuyasho ukuthi lo moya kaNkulunkulu ungaphakathi kuwena. So listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. Pray inside you. How can guys, yekelani ukuzinyatha ngoba niyazinyanyisa. Stop talking about jealous people. Stop talking about your enemies. You might be your own enemy. Be careful. Be careful. Because you might be praying against yourself. Stop it. Stop saying, God, hey, let them suffer. Suffer for who? For what? For what? Our ancestors are not sleeping well. They're not wearing short pants. They're not cold where they are. They are inside us. I believe in that. I believe that our ancestors, God, they are in us. Their spirits are in us. That's why they come to us in a form when we are sleeping, in a form of a dream. Because it's the spirit that gets awake when we are sleeping. You guys are not ready for such conversations. Because in Nizobeni Kuluma, the way we think we are smart. If I'm smart, I'm smart. If I'm smart, I'm smart. I'm smart enough to sit down and meditate and listen to my ancestors and do what they want. You can also do it. It's just that you do not want to do it. You want Skhotheni to do it for you. That's your problem. That's your problem. You want other people to do it for you. What for? What for? Huh? No. You have the power to manifest and make things happen. Wake up, Dakivuka. It's your time to shine. Hey, I hate people who say, I was having this conversation with my husband, Umonde, this other day. Okay, he likes questioning me a lot. Like, Umasala Nomondo, you'd always have, like, you must always think outside the box because of his questions. So, we were communicating. And then, Kanti, we were watching TikTok video. This other guy was like, hey, we were oppressed. Hey, what did our ancestors? This question, most people love it. Why did our ancestors why didn't they use their powers? Load shedding. Okay, why didn't our ancestors use their powers back then? You can see my face, but it's not important. The voice is currently. Why didn't you guys like asking? Why didn't our ancestors use their powers then? The same powers that we claim they have. Mamela